morning all of you. My name is Muskan. Today I am here to represent a video on nervous system. So let's start. Firstly, we will get how many types of nerves are. There are two types of nerves, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. It derived from brain, and spinal nerves it derived from our spinal cord. So basically there are two types of nerves, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Now we will study about the nervous system. There are two types of nervous system, CNS and PNS, central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. It includes the brain and spinal cord, and it includes the nerves and ganglion. Peripheral nervous system it further divided into two parts, somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system it controls all the voluntary function, and autonomic nervous system it controls all the involuntary function. For example, as we put our hand on the hot thing, their somatic nervous system reaches to the spinal cord and we remove the hand quickly. Autonomic nervous system, for example, we cannot control that our heart stop beating. Autonomic nervous system is further divided into two parts, sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. It energizes the body and expend the energy, and parasympathetic it calms down the body and consume the energy. And now we will see the difference between the sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system. Iris. In sympathetic nervous system, pupil dilation. In parasympathetic, the pupil constriction. Salivary gland. In sympathetic, saliva production reduced. In parasympathetic, saliva production increased. Heart. In sympathetic, heart rate increased. In parasympathetic, heart rate normal. Mucus. In sympathetic, reduction. In parasympathetic, increased. Lung. In sympathetic, bronchial muscle relaxed. In parasympathetic, bronchial muscle contracted. Now we see that from which cell the full nervous system is made of. The nervous system is made of neuron. This is neuron. Dendrite, nucleus, cell body, it is also called cytone, axon and nerve ending. There is a gap between the nerve ending of one neuron and the dendrite of another neuron. This is called the synapse. This is a gap between, it is called synapse. This makes the part conducting the nerve ending carry the electrical energy and convert into the chemical energy for the further transmission. There are types of neurons. There are three types of neurons: sensory neuron, motor neuron and relay neuron. Sensory neuron senses the stimuli towards the CNS, and the motor neuron come with the decision to the stimuli, and there are relay neuron which connect the sensory and motor neuron. There is a nerve impulse pathway: stimulus, then receptor, then dendrite of sensory neuron, then cell body, then axon, then synapse, then dendrite of other neuron, then cell body, then various neurons, then CNS, then dendrite of motor neuron, then cell body, then axon and then effector. And there are 5 types of sensory neurons based on our 5 sense organs: thigmoreceptor, skin, touch; gustatorreceptor, tongue, taste; photoreceptor, eye, light; audioreceptor, ear, sound; olfactoreceptor, nose, smell. Thanks.